Hello, welcome to my channel again. In this video I'm going to show you how you change the alternator belt or serpentine belt, the engine. Stay tuned. Okay, for this job we're gonna use a little power bar, plastic bar to take it out the spark plugs covers. Little plastic. You will see for what I'm using it. Little power bar, 1/2 inch ratchet, and then the 33mm socket, little flat screwdriver, and then T25 T30 T30 and T20 Torx, middle size extension, 3/8, and then 14mm for the spark plugs. Very crucial, use 1/4 inch ratchet with flexi head. It's super useful. And then the 3/8 ratchet. Okay, in order to do that, we're going to take it out with the T30s. We're going to take it out the engine cooler, engine oil cooler. Okay, and then we're going to move the brake line so that way we have more access to the cover. T25 and T20. 2 bolts right here, and you can see it. Here we can see the other 3 bolts right here. This one right here, and one, and the third one right here. Okay, that way we have access to take it out the cover. This cover is like plastic, like I said. Serpentine belt for the alternator. And then like I said, we want to remove the cover for the spark plug. We want to take it for both sides. We want to take it out apart, the spark plugs, the cold packs, and then the spark plugs. That way we have more access, or more easy to turn the engine. We want to apply the little plastic covers for the spark plugs. So you have the little tab right here with a little screwdriver. Just pull it. That way, easy access. Okay, to take it out the cold pack, we can put the little rack right here. That way we don't have any damage to the heads. And then we can pry the cold pack like this. And that's it. And it's kind of easy. There you go. And then we want to use the 12 points thin wall socket for the spark plug, 14mm. We want to do the same thing for the other side. I'm gonna use 33mm socket, 1/2 inch with a small ratchet. We're going to turn the engine to the right, always to the right. I'll try to put the little plastic right here. I'm going to show you why. Try to pinch the belt between the pulley and the belt. So that way we take it out of the belt. Then we will put the back of the new belt. We want to make sure right here in the top where the alternator. We're going to hold it like this. Make sure in the top it's okay. 33mm socket. Put it in a spot like this. Put it in a spot like this. The whole grooves. Make sure, like say, the top is in the right position of the alternator. Try to hold it and then start turning. Try to hold it on this side. There you go. Right here's the alternator. And right here at the bottom, the main crankshaft. Okay, after we finish putting the drive belt, I always recommend make sure start up the engine. We want to put the spark plugs back. Right, looks everything good. So now we can put it back the cover and the oil cooler. And put the cover back. The oil cooler. These bolts right here, T30s.